Alright, so not sure who asked the question about how to solve number 30, but I figured I would put this up here just in case you're still confused about it. So it says to solve this by completing the square, round your answer to the nearest hundredth. So the first thing we should probably do is try to get rid of this plus 35 here. So I'm going to subtract that from both sides. Give me negative 5x squared minus 20x. It's going to wind up equaling negative 5, because 30 minus 35 would be negative 5. So subtract 35 from both sides, got negative 5. The next thing I want to do here is divide both sides by negative 5. So that'll give me x squared. Negative 20 divided by negative 5 would be positive 4. And there could be an x there. And that would equal 1. At this point here, to complete the square, we'll take half of b and square it, which means we'll add 4 to both sides. So we'll get x squared plus 4x plus 4 is going to equal 5. So then here we will factor this side. It will give us x plus 2 squared equals 5. So now we're going to want to take the square root of both sides. When we take the square root of the left-hand side, we'll get x plus 2. And that's going to give us the positive and negative of the square root of 5. The square root of 5 is 2.24. So that's positive and negative 2.24. Now that's rounded to the nearest hundredth. I think it was 2.236. So that's what made it 2.24. And then I will subtract 2 from both sides. Give me x equals 0.24 when I do the positive 2.24. Subtracting 2 from that. 2.24. And then if I did a negative, I would get x equals negative 4.24. And those would be my two answers. If you have any other questions, please write them down or be sure to email me.